Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about dogelonmars price prediction and dogelonmars news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for dogelonmars in 2022. Dogelonmars is a dog-themed meme coin on Ethereum and Polygon. It follows the example of other successful dog coins like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu and Floki Inu. Dogelonmars plays on several popular themes in the meme coin space. Its name is a mixture of Dogecoin and Elon Musk, the billionaire entrepreneur who is an outspoken supporter of Doge. It alludes to Mars, a spin on the famous moon meme, implying that Dogelon will experience a massive upward movement. Beyond its tongue-in-cheek name, dogelonmars has managed to build a significant community, with more than 300,000 Twitter followers, and more than 84,000 followers on Telegram. Just like is the case for its more prominent and more established cousins, the founders of this particular dog coin are unknown. That is somewhat of a common occurrence for meme coins, and investors are well advised due to due diligence with little-known coins to avoid falling victim to malicious practices like rug pulls and exit scams. With that said, ELON has been on the market for several months, making the likelihood of the coin being a scam relatively small. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about dogelonmars. Musk's new nickname, the fall of Tesla shares and the rise of Dogecoin. Elon Musk once again managed to surprise his followers on social networks. This time, by changing his Twitter handle, New York Stock Exchange TWTR, to Lord Edge and indicating his location as Trollheim. So far, the CEO of Tesla, Nasdaq TSLA, has offered no explanation for the change. According to Moneycontrol.com, users noticed the change amidst the confusion anyway. And Shibatoshi Nakamoto, one of the creators of the Dogecoin cryptocurrency, even explained this nickname change in his own way as an anagram for Elder Doge, that is, Elder Doge, referring to the dog meme that inspired him to create Dogecoin. That doesn't mean it was intentional. The rally would push the price to a high of $0.000001657. The meme coin is expected to gain value in May and June, to average $0.000001412 and $0.000001503, respectively. CryptoPredictions.com forecasts dogelonmars to rise to $0.000001878 in June, setting a new high for the first 6 months. Q3 and Q4, as per the predictions, the buyers could push prices higher in the third quarter, and eventually cross the $0.0000002. During the 3 months, the price is expected to range between $0.000000135057028 and $0.000000219557789. CryptoPredictions.com algorithm projects Dogelon growth to continue without slowing down. The coin of ELON is expected to trade between $0.00000015571595505 and $0.000000246781981 in the last quarter. The price is expected to average $0.000000246781981 in October. Musk, and his strong influence over the price of Doge, an influence which he often exercises on Twitter. Twitter's CEO announced a day later that Musk had joined the board of directors. He's both a passionate believer and intense critic of the service, which is exactly what we need on Twitter, said Parag Agrawal. By joining the board, Musk also agrees that he will not purchase more than 14.9% and take over majority control of the company. Mr. Musk will not, either alone or as a member of a group, become the beneficial owner of more than 14.9% of the company's common stock outstanding at such time, according to a filing. As Twitter enthusiasts wait attentively for any incoming changes to the platform, Dogecoin holders are undoubtedly enjoying the news this week. The week-long rally has been even more impressive. On March 30th, Doge was trading at 14 cents, which, from trough to peak, marks roughly a 21% increase. Despite the bullish surge, Doge is still down from its all-time high of 73 cents in May 2021. At that time, the cryptocurrency joined a handful of other meme stocks like GameStop, GME, and AMC Theaters, AMC, in one of the more bizarre bull-run stories in financial history. The most likely reason behind Dogecoin's latest rise is the project's close ties with Elon Musk, and his strong influence over the price of Doge, an influence which he often exercises on Twitter. On Monday, Musk purchased a 9.2% stake in the social media firm, according to an SEC filing. The filing indicated that the Telsa chief had purchased 73,486,938 TWTR shares at $39.31, totaling more than $2.8 billion. Mark and week thus, while the meme coin may look alluring, it is just another shiny object that is not, and probably will never be gold. And the second news in this video, about absolutely surreal, inside of fundraising millions in crypto for besieged Ukraine. The Unchained Fund has raised $1.8 million in plans to launch a DAO this week, even as team members live with sirens, explosions and artillery barrage following the Russian invasion. After Russia invaded Ukraine, Andriy Veliky would look out his window at night and count the lights in the windows of nearby buildings. Around 90% of them stayed black. The cryptocurrency entrepreneur's apartment building faced Kyiv's Maidan Square. Normally full of people, it's empty and silent now, except for the sirens blaring from time to time. Some of his friends chose to leave the city when they could. Others are now fighting the invading Russian forces on the front lines. I chose to stay somewhere in between. I'll stay here in my apartment and protect my family here, Veliky, a member of a local shooting club, told CoinDesk on Monday. And if things get worse, I will go to the front lines. On Tuesday, he posted on Facebook that he had left Kyiv with his family. Veliky wears several hats. He is the CEO of Apostle Foundation and co-founder of Allbridge, a startup working. DOGELON is currently worth $0.0000076 United States dollars at $421,924,430, making it 126 on the most valuable coin list. Is DOGELON ELON, a good investment? How much will DOGELON cost in 2025, or how much will DOGELON cost 10 years from now? The results of only observations for 2022, and this is what experts predict for this year. By 2022, ELON appears to have reached price levels similar to their all-time high. By 2022, we expect the average rate to be $0.0000092. If all goes smoothly, we predict that the DOGELON market price could increase to $0.0000105 in 2022. But the next year will be more interesting for investment. In 2023, with higher consumption and partnership between important ranges, the price of DOGELON will skyrocket. The maximum trading price will reach $0.0000158 in 2023. The price ranges will be very trendy if we keep them. If all goes well, we expect an average price of $0.0000132, with an expected price of $0.0000158 for 2023. If you are planning to invest for the long term, here is the forecast for 2024. ELON is discovered by potential. As signs and innovations are found, an increase in the number of users and advertising is possible. If the market focuses on investment in DOGELON the price could be higher. By 2024, it may reach a maximum value of $0.0000221. ELON is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2024 could end with an average price of $0.0000192, a low price of $0.0000186, and an expected price of $0.0000221. Course forecast 2025 ELON will be seen as the best option, and with the spread of the DOGELON community, Mars is finding new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2025, the DOGELON price will be almost $0.0000271. The maximum bet we can get is $0.0000326. DOGELON average price forecast for the end of 2025 could be around $0.0000278. A large price turnover is expected in the turnover observed in the cryptocurrency market. DOGELON course prediction 2026 volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today, forecasting and implementation at current prices is expected. Many cryptanalysts are at play in this regard. Price predictions are correct for recovery years. Cryptocurrency consumers still ban and restrict cryptocurrencies. DOGELON could cross $0.0000464.